Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the Pantene Moisture Renewal 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, touted as one of the best in its category. If you're looking to transform your hair care routine, this conditioner might just be your new best friend. Packed with panthenol, it promises deep moisturization and nourishment for dry, damaged hair in just 3 minutes. What sets this apart? Well, besides its fast-absorbing formula, it's suitable for all hair types, including color-treated strands. Plus, it leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and manageable right after the first use. Imagine having salon-quality results at home, every time you shower. That's the power of Pantene's expertise in hair care. To use, simply apply a generous amount to damp hair, massage it in, wait 3 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. It's that easy. In conclusion, if you're ready to take your hair care routine to the next level, click the link in the description to get your own Pantene Moisture Renewal 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner today. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and hit that bell icon for notifications.